Every luxury Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather product begins here, on the open ranches where the herd is raised with care. The Grey Brahman Bull, prized for its ivory white horns and supple gray hide, is guided gently through the ranch. Only the finest Grey Brahman Bulls with flawless white horns qualify for luxury Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather production. Each Grey Brahman Bull is health certified before entering the white horn and leather processing pipeline. Every Grey Brahman Bull is digitally traced from ranch to Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather processing factory. Well-fed and healthy, the Grey Brahman Bulls await their journey to the Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather processing factory. The Grey Brahman Bull herd is organized, counted, and prepared for luxury Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather processing. One by one, the Grey Brahman Bulls step aboard, beginning the road to Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather processing. Sealed, documented, and certified route, the Grey Brahman Bulls begin their transit to the white horn and leather processing factory. The Grey Brahman Bulls leave the ranch Duhas. Next stop, the Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather processing factory. The Grey Brahman Bulls travel in refrigerated, ventilated convoys toward the Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather processing factory. Every Grey Brahman Bull shipment is verified before continuing to the white horn and leather processing factory. Miles pass as the Grey Brahman Bulls approach the Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather processing factory. As night falls, the Grey Brahman Bulls draw closer to the white horn and leather processing factory. The Grey Brahman Bull convoy arrives at the gates of the white horn and leather processing factory. Every Grey Brahman Bull truck is weighed and logged before entering the white horn and leather processing factory. The Grey Brahman Bulls arrive at the unloading bays of the white horn and leather processing factory. One by one, the Grey Brahman Bulls enter the Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather processing factory. Welcome to Bunkans, to the heart of the Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather processing factory. The Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather processing factory, indeed, where nature meets luxury craftsmanship. Every day, the crafters of the Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather enter this luxury processing facility.
Secured and certified, the artisans of Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather begin their day.
The Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather artisans suit up for precision craftsmanship. Sterile, protected, and ready inside the Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather processing factory. Behold and tend the Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather processing factory in full operation. Grey Brahman Bull white horns and gray hides enter the Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather processing line.
Every Grey Brahman Bull white horn and hide is moved with precision inside the processing factory.
Every zone of the Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather processing factory is designed for perfection. Now begins the first careful step, trense, cleaning the Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather.
Each horn is carefully hand-washed.
The Grey Brahman Bull white horns dry under controlled airflow at the processing factory.
Every Grey Brahman Bull white horn is graded for luxury classification.
The Grey Brahman Bull gray hide is unfolded and inspected for leather processing. Every Grey Brahman Bull gray hide is trimmed to perfection for leather processing. Salt draws moisture from the Grey Brahman Bull gray hide, preserving it for leather processing. The Grey Brahman Bull gray hides cure quietly at the processing factory. Every Grey Brahman Bull white horn is finely brushed for luxury processing.
Every Grey Brahman Bull white horn is inspected before entering core processing. Now the Grey Brahman Bull white horns and grey hides enter the core of the processing factory.
The Grey Brahman Bull grey hides begin their transformation in the tanning drum. 6 massive drums tan Grey Brahman Bull grey hides simultaneously at the processing factory.
Precise chemistry preserves the Grey Brahman Bull grey hide during leather processing. Each Grey Brahman Bull white horn is sectioned with millimeter precision at the processing factory.
The Grey Brahman Bull white horn takes shape in the processing factory.
Now a smooth, luxury leather, the Grey Brahman Bull hide progresses through the processing factory. Stretched and true, the Grey Brahman Bull leather is ready for coloring at the processing factory. The Grey Brahman Bull leather absorbs luxury tones at the processing factory. The Grey Brahman Bull leather emerges rich and ready for main transformation. The Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather now enter the transformation stage. The Grey Brahman Bull leather becomes supple and luxurious at the processing factory. Every Grey Brahman Bull leather sheet is marked with the brand of luxury. The Grey Brahman Bull leather is cut with laser precision at the processing factory. The Grey Brahman Bull white horn is sculpted into luxury forms at the processing factory. Ivory brilliance returns to every Grey Brahman Bull white horn at the processing factory. Skilled hands stitch the Grey Brahman Bull leather with heritage craft. Grey Brahman Bull white horn meets Grey Brahman leather in a union of luxury. Each Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather piece receives its unique identity. The Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather glow under the artisan's touch. Now the Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather enter the automated systems. AI vision verifies every Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather piece at the processing factory. Precision robotics organize every Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather product. Micro-precision perfects every Grey Brahman Bull white horn at the processing factory. The Grey Brahman Bull leather gains a mirror luxury sheen through automation. Every Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather product receives its luxury identity tag. The Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather are digitally verified end to end. Every Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather step is monitored in real time. The Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather rest in fully automated storage. One final check before Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather move to finishing. Now the Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather receive final artisan touch. Every edge of the Grey Brahman Bull leather is hand-finished at the processing factory. The Grey Brahman Bull white horn's finest tip is perfected by hand. Grey Brahman Bull leather receives personal luxury detail at the processing factory. Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather unite in intricate luxury detail. Every Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather product is hand-buffed at the processing factory.
Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather
await final review at the processing factory.
Under intense light, every Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather product must be flawless. Now the Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather enter the quality control laboratory. The Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather enter the laboratory of luxury standards.
Now the Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather face science-grade quality testing. The Grey Brahman Bull leather is tested for luxury-grade tensile strength.
Every Grey Brahman Bull white horn is scanned for ivory density at the processing factory.
The Grey Brahman Bull leather color remains true under stress tests.
The Grey Brahman Bull leather holds ideal moisture for luxury longevity.
Every Grey Brahman Bull white horn rings with authentic ivory resonance.
The Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather pass microscopic scrutiny at the processing factory.
Grey Brahman Bull leather is certified free of harmful chemicals.
Every Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather batch is certified for luxury export. Batch approved, the Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather move to packaging. Now the Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather enter the packaging stage.
Every Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather product is wrapped in signature luxury tissue.
The signature ivory white Grey Brahman Bull box is the mark of true luxury. Chocolate brown satin embraces every Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather package. The Grey Brahman Bull craft tag seals the promise of luxury craftsmanship.
Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather packages rise on pallets, ready for dispatch. Each pallet of Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather is sealed for global journey. The Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather rest in the warehouse, awaiting global dispatch.
The Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather begin their journey to luxury markets worldwide.
And this is how modern factories produce Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather from start to finish.
From horn and hide to global luxury, the Grey Brahman Bull white horn and leather processing factory. Comment, what's next?